Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
We have 3 things today, not just 1 or 2, 3.
That's right, 3 different taste tests here, all in one.
Pineapple juice thing.
It's a pineapple juice soda.
We got some mangoes and a sour sop.
It's a sour sop drink.
We don't know.
Sour sop is a fruit that comes primarily from Mexico and South America. As you can see, it's kind of spiky looking little things. And in there's a cut up mango.
He cut it up.
Audrey here has said she's never had a mango. And so we're going to try that. Pineapple soda and sour sop juice.
And we have coffee cups. They look like coffee cups.
I don't think these are coffee cups, honey.
They look like cups.
I don't think they are.
Different, yeah.
Okay.
So,
at any rate, what do you want to try first?
I want to try the mangoes first.
Okay,
never
okay.
tried
I've
them.
had mangoes before, but Audrey here says she hasn't, so
I'm gonna
pick
get
a piece.
big.
Okay.
Sweet.
I love mangoes.
Tastes like a pineapple.
Very similar, yes. I love mango. I definitely rate it a 10 out of 10. What about you?
10 out of 10. You have another. Oh. This is messed. Pineapple.
Pineapple natural flavor soda. So,
Hope it's delicious.
well,
Some kind of soda.
yeah, it's a soda, but it's made with real pineapple juice.
It smells like a pineapple.
Yes, it does, doesn't it?
We know because we had pineapple before.
Okay, cheers.
Soda.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh. 10 out of 10. Again.
I have to agree, that is a really good soda.
Very sour.
Sour, kind of sweet and sour, yeah.
Sweet and sour pineapple.
I would definitely recommend.
It's natural flavors.
I would definitely recommend trying this if you ever get a chance. It's definitely worth a shot.
And if you ever try a pineapple, you can grow one. And if you wonder how we just got a pineapple and grew it by the top of it.
How's this, honey? When our pineapple's ready, we'll make a video about how to make our own pineapple. Okay. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, but due to some technical difficulties completely beyond my control, having nothing whatsoever to do with Betty forgetting to delete the last video and therefore this video running out of time, I've had to reshoot the remainder of this video using a fully automatic robotic Audrey. Most of you will probably be unable to notice any difference, but just in case you did, I thought I'd be honest about it up front. Thank you for understanding. And hello, I'm back here with Audrey. Hi! And we're going to finish the video here by trying the sour sop juice. Alright, let's do some for you, Audrey. Thank you, Daddy! And some for me. Okay. And let's give this a try here. I'm not very impressed at all. I'll give it a 5 out of 10 myself. I love it, Daddy. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's great. Okay, you can have the rest of mine then. Well, that's the end of the video. There's the soursop juice we just tasted. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Bye.